Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have another G-Shock inspired rugged smartwatch from LOKMAT. This is the second generation of LOKMAT ATTACK smartwatch design. With this video, we will go through with the overall design and the specifications of the smartwatch. If you fancy getting one, check the link in the description down below. Well, without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the retail packaging, watch came inside this cardboard box. You can see the watch through the front straight away. However, all the specifications and key features are printed on the box for quick reference. Let's check what you get inside. You will get the Attack 2 smartwatch on the top, USB magnetic charging cable, and a printed user guide. With the user guide, you can find the quick setup guide and a QR code printed for the Smart App download. Moving on to the design and the look, this watch is designed for use in extreme outdoor conditions thanks to the rugged finish. It has a heavy duty watch case and it is made out of TPU and ABS materials for long last use. It weighs about 68 grams and watch case size is 55.6 by 54.1 by 18.3 millimeters. On the right side of the watch, you will find two push buttons that will help you to navigate between functions. You get non-removable watch straps with this smartwatch and they are made out of TPU materials, and the strap size is about 30 millimeters. Furthermore, when it comes to the strap length, it is about 93 millimeters to 133 millimeters. So it will perfectly fit any wrist size without any issues, and it is very comfortable to use. It is available in black, green or blue colors, and the one I got is black color. In terms of the hardware, this watch comes with 1.28 inches TFT LCD touchscreen with resolutions of 240 by 240. Having said that, the touch response is decent and smooth when scrolling or swipe between functions. Display brightness can be adjustable and can see clearly when used in outdoors. Also, thanks to the bigger round display, you can easily read content on the screen. This watch comes with Bluetooth 5.0 for lossless connectivity between your smartphone. Back of the watch, you can see the optical heart rate sensor and the magnetic charging connector. Having said that, this watch comes with 600 mAh polymer battery, which will take about 2.5 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. Furthermore, you will get about 10 days of average use with this single charge. This is IP68 rated smartwatch, means this watch can survive in extreme outdoor conditions against water. You can wear it while washing your hands or rainy days and use it when doing outdoor activities without any issues. Moving on, the button on the top right works as a power controller or act as a return or go back option. The bottom one will bring you the function list. In terms of the screen navigation, swiping top to bottom will bring you quick access to find phone, alarm, brightness controller and do not disturb. Then swipe bottom to up will bring you all the notifications. Swipe left to right or right to left both ways allow you to track your activities. Track your sleep, check the weather, check both blood pressure and heart rate monitor. To change the watch face, simply touch and hold the screen for about 3 seconds and then slide to the left to switch the watch face you want. To connect with your smartphone, all you need to do is simply download the HBand Smart App, which is available in both Android and Apple App Store. Once you install the app, simply follow the on-screen instruction for pairing process. Then you can create a profile and log into your app to connect the smartwatch. With the Smart App, you can customize or enable the functions of the smartwatch, like these push notifications. You can choose which app that you want to send the notifications through the app. In terms of the receiving of phone calls, you won't be able to answer through the smartwatch. Instead, you can mute the call or decline via the watch face. Moving on to receiving messages, you can see and read a few lines, and even it will allow you to delete the messages. So thanks to these push notifications, you won't miss any important calls or messages even if you do not have your phone in your hand. Moving on to the next option, you can set an alarm with the chosen date with this smartwatch. Also with the app you can enable sedentary reminder, heart rate alert, turn wrist detection with adjustable sensitivity at a given time, means you can enable it to show the watch face when raising up the wrist. Also you can choose screen time on up to 30 seconds using both Smart App or using the smartwatch. With the next option you can use this watch as a remote camera shutter. To take a picture you can simply shake the watch to activate the remote. Moving on to the watch faces, you can download additional watch faces from the app. You can find simple design, analog or digital designs through the Smart App. You can choose from reasonable selection of amazing watch faces from the download section, and I would love to say you won't be disappointed trying those dials. The only downside I found was it takes a little bit of time when it comes to downloading and transferring the watch face. Furthermore, you can be assigned your own picture with the custom color text as a photo watch face using this HBand Smart App. Simply choose the background you want with the front color, then select the position you want time to be displayed. However, my favorite one is this watch face as it feels like I'm wearing a good old G-Shock. Moving on to the sports activity features, this watch comes with 10 different sport activities including outdoor run and walk, indoor run and walk, hiking, outdoor cycling, rowing, etc. When you choose your preferred activity, watch will start to track your calories, heart rate and time duration according to your workout. This watch has the usual heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor and sleep tracker. All those data will be saved within the HBand Smart App and you can refer back to them daily. Apart from the above features mentioned earlier, this smartwatch comes with a stopwatch, countdown timer and a music controller. It is compatible with Apple Music and you can even control the volume level on the go. And finally, if you can't find your phone around you, you can use this Find My Phone option. The phone will play loud music until you find it. So this is pretty much all about this LOKMAT ATTACK 2 smartwatch. Considering its price, still we can call it budget smartwatch. But more importantly, when it comes to the heavy duty rugged design, it's well worth to try. If you're someone who loves the classic G-Shock style, then why not try this smartwatch and still get these smart features. So with that all being said, please let me know what do you think about this smartwatch in the comment section down below. Once again, if you like the content, please hit the like and do subscribe to see more budget reviews like this. Thanks for watching and see you again with another video.